Lang dito ako sa villa, sarado yung gate. Pero dito pa lang sa labas, ang ganda ng bahay. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung binili mo mga ilaw. Wait nga, akit na ako. Na-excite ako. Ayan. Tao po! Tao po! Ayan. Thank you! Salamat po! Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng bahay! Ay, ganda ng villa. From this side of the world. Ayan, dito tayo. At okay na rin to kanina. I used that stairs also going up. So, it's really, you know, taran! Sayang hindi bukas yung sa master bedroom. Pero look at the light there. Aww. And then, on this side of the world, that's the, ang tawag dito, glass panel. And this is the inner. Ayan, ano siya. What do you call this? Itong bakal. Ayan, then half of it. Pero, siguro another ano dito. And then the other side is, ayan, binutasan nila. Silagay, tapos diniinan. I don't know the English, I'm sorry. So they make a hole, put this steel, and then rub it around. And they were gonna put something right here to cover the glass panel. And this is the other one. This is the hole I'm talking about. They were gonna put it here. Tomorrow, it's the other one. And then they were gonna put some sealant in between the glasses. So, ayan. Kabit na. Ayan na yung glass. From the inside look. And this is from the outside. Ayan. Okay. At yung ano, ayan, yung wall, halos tapos na nilang skim coat. And then next is this part naman. And let's go upstairs. Ayan. Look at the lights. Look at the lights. And also, oh, diba? Meron na sila dito ano, oh, look. Lawak na ano na. At kompleto na tong LED light. Ayan. And then the other one, ayun na yung ano, let's check here. On this side, skim coat is done right here. Skim coat is done. Skim coat is done. And then, they are putting the frame right now for the senior room. So after that, they're gonna put the ceiling, all the light materials there. And then, so nice naman. And they testing all the lights. That's why the lights right now is on. They already, ano na, oh my gosh, parang, they already cleaned the tiles right here. Look at the design of the tiles. And tomorrow, I think they're going to put a grout. And I think I can, kasha ba ako? Yeah, kasha ako. Tada! Kasha ata ako. Kasha yan. Oh, kasha. Diba? Pati itong mga tinanggalan na nila ang ng ganda ng pinili mo, girl. So nice. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Tapos may design siya bawat blue. You can see the other one. So nice. And then right now, there's a switch na so I can turn that off. Oh, see? Ayan, may switch na siya. And then let's check this part of the house. Ta-da! So nice! Ang ganda ng mga design. Ngayon siya na-appreciate. Ang ganda. Sana walang batang matutulog dito. So that nobody will gonna play with that. Right? Ayan. I think I need to leave it on because they're still testing it. And then this side, oh, let's check this. I can see it. So they already direct the connection of this to here. It's just, we're just gonna, oh! One more. What? Changing color? What? What? Okay, what? Okay. Okay, let's turn this off. Okay. I'm really, something excitement with this. Ta-da! That's the light, a certain kind of light. Never shine on. Oo, na-testing ko nga itong ano. Nice, At yun nandito pa lang. Parang, oo, yun nga eh. Para diretso na lang, at least may power naman, no? Ay, ayan. Ito na ang Chanel. Chanel. Nice naman, ang gaganda. Ay, ito naman, iba din. Ayan. Iba palang design, ano? Wala itong kaparehas?
Wala.
Kaya.
Ito lang yung magkaparehas dito.
Yung tatlo.
Opo. Akala mo parehas sila.
Okay lang ba kapag sinabi ni sister na... Ayan, kunyari, yung dalawang parehas ilagay dito, okay lang yung pagpalitin? Okay lang? Pero tanungin ko muna siya. Baka okay na yan sa kanya na ganyan. Ito si Chanel. Ayan si... I don't know kung sino to. Ayan. Nice. Ang ganda. Paano ba to? Ayan, let's check. Ay, ayaw pa rin. Ayan, ang daming security purposes. Ayan. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ayan siya from the outside view. Ay! Wow! Girl, look! May salamin na. Hindi na ako makakaupo. Mr. and Mrs. H. That's a glass na already, oh. They already put the glass. What happened to my tone? Wow! Nice! Ang daming parang maganda ata na wala ako. I think it's better if I'm not here. There's a lot of progress. If I'm here, it's kinda... The time is so slow. And look at them. Look at that. The two workers. That's so high. They're just sitting right there. Diba? A lot of progress. They already put the... Hindi ko siya nakita from there when I... Taking a video right there. I didn't see this. The glass. Nice. They put this as a guide only for this, but they already put some yung glue nilang malala. Ang ganda, girl. Ayun. So, Belle, my question is, do you want to change pa the lights from the master's bedroom to the same ba? Kasi this one, the design of the parang letter S, let's go inside. How to go inside. It's all lock. Oh my gosh. So, ayan. And this master bedroom kasi, dito sa master bedroom, we have different style. That one and the Chanel. If you want to make it the same design, we can change that one and then the other room to make it uniform if you want. But if that's okay with you, I'm not gonna ask the guy to change it. And right here, this is the master's bedroom, shower room, and teka lang, I'm gonna turn off the light so you'll see the effects. Ta-da! Dun, dun, ta-dun, dun, ta-da-dun. Nice! Let's turn it off. Diba? Tricolor din siya. Turn off. Okay, so nice. Oh my gosh, it feels like heaven. Charot. Let's go here. Kasi I think I've been here na pala. And ayan, para siyang nagmi-mirror din dito sa loob paggabi. Ayan, yung design. Yan. 3 rooms have a same design like that. So if you want to make it the same on the master bedroom, just let me know so I can ask them to change it. Okay.